dirt.
Yeah. Well, it was swimming in the water.
No, this is from when he unloaded it.
Oh.
They bang him on the ground. They bang him on the ground to get him to start coming off. I mean, they bang him hard.
So as we were pulling the container back, we unearthed a big rock which got stuck underneath the container and bent one of the beams and the floor. You can see daylight here coming outside, but Tim thinks he can, he just got the dirt out of there, thinks he can pound it back into place. There's the big rock.
I'll keep praying to heaven and fighting like hell.